Alright, so this game is called Crafted. It's basically Minecraft but as an app. So here's our play. Create new world, you can name it. There you go. I don't know what this does yet. Create new world. Then there you go. The first thing you need to do is get wood. Use this side, use the right side to look, the left side to walk around. This button to jump, this one lay down a block. These two are destroy. And this is how you get to your inventory there.
What do you think that's?
Their crafting table. Some soil. Right.
Diggy diggy hole.
Die. Beating you up with a flower. Silence. Silence. Die, pig. You're second, pig. You're gonna die. You're gonna die now. I'm gonna kill you with this flower. I'm gonna need a pick. Never mind. Never mind about the pig. Need this. Lots of this. Lots of wood. Die. Punch, 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 punch. Let's try this. There you go. Craft, craft, craft. Go stick. Oops.
Let's go.
Right, now how do I... Their crafting table. How do you... Oh, here we go. Here we go. I get it. Here you go. That, there. Wooden pick. Pick, pick. There you go. Wooden pick. Hop. Now I must venture down. Oops. Wait, I need a shovel. So, planks, sticks. Darn it. I need to make a stick of it.
It's okay. Okay.
Sticks. Oh. There. Now I need to make... Hey, there's a cow in my way. Right. Now I need to make a shovel. I need more planks. No. Planks. There. Stick, stick. shovel. Now, how do you... Darn! Why does this have to be so hard? There you go, shovel. Back. Face down. Dig, dig, dig. Pick. Dig, dig. Shovel. Dig, dig. Right, pick. Gotta mine this coal so I can make torches. Mine, mine, mine. Hit, hit, hit. Quick. Faster. This game's pretty good for now.
The graphics.
Graphics are pretty good. It's like Minecraft. 2D. Wooden pick is different from the real Minecraft. Slow. Come on! Ah, cow, cow, die, cow, die, cow, die. Yay, cow died. Come on, break. Ugh. That's one iron ore. I need to make a stone pick. First, I need a table in here. Darn it. There you go. Crafting table. Switch that on.
Hey, what do you think of the app?
This app's pretty good. It's nice. Pretty bit hard to control. Come on. Right now, stone pick. Stone slab. Pick. There you go. Stone pick.
What's that sound?
Where's that sound coming from? I think that's a cow, maybe. I don't know. Here we go. Stone pick mines way faster. More efficient. And it doesn't wear out that fast.
What are you doing?
Dig, dig, dig. Right. Now I need to make a house. An underground one would work. I've already dug this deep. Dig, 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 dig.
Okay, closing now.
Right. I think that's
That's it for now.
a lot of time. That's it for now. And
See you next time with our
next time I'll put up part 2 of this, and peace.